Hey there, laundry warriors. Today, we're tackling a common laundry dilemma: how to remove old, dried grease or oil stains from clothes. But fear not, because I've got a simple DIY solution that'll have your garments looking fresh and clean in no time. Let's jump right in. Grease stains on clothes can be a real headache, especially when they've dried and set into the fabric. But with the right approach, we can banish those stubborn stains for good. Now, let's introduce our stain-fighting squad. Start by adding some water to a bowl to create our stain-fighting mixture. Salt is a natural abrasive that helps to absorb and lift grease stains from fabric fibers. Add 1 tablespoon of salt to the bowl. Vinegar is a powerhouse when it comes to removing tough stains. Its acidic properties help to break down grease and oil, making them easier to lift from the fabric. Add a few drops of vinegar to the salt mixture. Hydrogen peroxide is a mild bleaching agent that can help to lighten and remove stubborn stains. It's particularly effective on grease and oil stains. Add a few drops of hydrogen peroxide to the mixture. Now, soak your affected cloth in this powerful stain-fighting mixture. Let it sit for about 10 minutes to allow the ingredients to penetrate and break down the grease stains. After 10 minutes, take out your cloth and give it a gentle rub to help lift the stains. You'll be amazed to see those old grease stains vanish before your eyes. There you have it, a simple and effective DIY method for removing old, dried grease or oil stains from clothes. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more laundry hacks and cleaning solutions. And remember, sharing is caring. Until next time, happy laundering!